Hello everyone, welcome to our online class. So in this class we'll see problems on chain rule. Okay, so in the previous class I explained multivariable calculus partial derivative problems. Now in this class we will see chain rule problems. See here what he gave here. If u is equal to f of y minus z, z minus x minus y, then prove that dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z is equal to 0. He is asking Okay, so then how to solve this type of problems when the chain rule problems are given. So first we have to assume these the y minus z, z minus x and x minus 1 are some values. See how to assume here. First let y r is equal to y minus z. What I took here? I took y minus z is equal to r, and s is equal to z minus x. I took s is equal to z minus x. Then t is equal to x minus y. I took this is r, s and t. So therefore, what is our given function converted? F is equal to f of r comma s comma t. So our given function is converted in terms of r comma s comma t. So what we have to find? We have to prove that dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z is equal to 0. So therefore, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z, correct? So then what is the formula according to chain rule? So what is the formula of chain rule, So using chain rule, the formula dou u of dou x becomes, so u is a function in terms of rst. U is a function in terms of rst. So dou u by dou x can be written as dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x. See, first you have to differentiate r with respect to x very carefully. Very important formula. It is a little bit lengthy. Plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x into dou s by dou x plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. Okay, this is the chain rule differentiation of dou u by dou x. See, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x, dou u by dou x into dou s by dou x plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. This is for what? Dou u by dou x. Now plus dou u by dou y. Similarly, dou u by dou y can be written as dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y. Okay, dou t by dou y. So rst differentiated with respect to y. Clear? So now plus what we have? One more dou u by dou z. So this can be written as dou u by dou r into dou r by dou z plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou z, dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. So this is our formula of chain rule of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z, right? Now substitute the values, so therefore this is equal to dou u by dou r. Dou u by dou r is as it is. Dou r by dou x. R is this, right? We have to differentiate r with respect to x partially. No x here, it becomes 0 plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. So we have to differentiate s with respect to x. Z is 0, x is a minus 1 plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. Dou t by dou x, x is 1 and differentiation of y with respect to x is what? 0. No need to write. Clear? So next one second. Next one plus dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y. You have to differentiate r with respect to y. So y is 1 here. I get 1 plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. You have to differentiate s with respect to y. No y here, 0 plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y. You have to differentiate t with respect to y. Here there is no y, here 0, y is 1, you get minus 1. Get minus 1, correct ma? And plus last one, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou z. What is r here? Y minus z. You have to differentiate with respect to z. So no z here is 0, z is 1. I get minus 1 plus dou u by dou s is as it is into dou s by dou z. So z is 1 here. So plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. No z here, 0. Now that here 0, correct ma? So simplify these terms. So 0 into anything is what? 0. Minus dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou s plus dou u by dou s get cancelled. This is one term. Dou u by dou t minus dou u by dou t. Dou u by dou t minus dou u by dou t get cancelled. So this 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Dou u by dou r minus 1. Dou u by dou r into 1 plus 1 and minus 1 get cancel. So what is the answer ma? 0. So like this you have to differentiate chain rule problems. You have to solve chain rule problems. Very important here. So earlier I gave you the chain rule formula for 2 variables ma. This is for chain rule formula for 3 variables. So dou u by dou x can be written as dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x. You have to differentiate r with respect to x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x plus dou u by dou t, dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x plus dou u by dou y formula, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y plus dou u by dou z can be written as dou u by dou r into dou r by dou z plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou z plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. This is the formula of chain rule formula ma. Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. Then I substituted dou u by dou r is as it is. R differentiation with respect to x partially, no x here 0. So you have to differentiate, you will substitute and cancel the terms. You will get the answer ma. Okay, take down. Okay, next problem ma. Problem number 2. See here what he is asking. 1 second. So if u is equal to f of 2x minus 3y, 3y minus 4z, 4z minus 2x, then prove that 1 by 2 dou u by dou x plus 1 by 3 dou u by dou y plus 1 by 4 dou u by dou z is equal to 0. Okay, similar problem like previous problem only. So what we have to do here, let r is equal to 2x minus 3y and s is equal to 3y minus 4z and t is equal to 4z minus 2x. Okay, I took r, s and t, correct? Now r, s and t. So what we need 1 by 2 dou u by dou x, 1 by 3 dou u by dou y, 1 by 4 dou u by dou z, correct ma? So multiply here, LHS is what? 1 by 2, LHS is what? 1 by 2 dou u by dou x, 1 by 2 dou u by dou x plus 1 by 3 dou u by dou y plus 1 by 4 dou u by dou z is equal to, we have to find the value ma, right? 1 by 4 dou u by dou z. Okay, 1 second, I'll write again otherwise. Yes, what is asking here? LHS 1 by 2 dou u by dou x plus 1 by 3 dou u by dou y plus 1 by 4 dou u by dou z. That means this whole part you have to multiply by 1 by 2 ma. This whole part you have to multiply by 1 by 3 and this whole part you have to multiply by 1 by 4, correct? So that is the formula is same, only the thing is he gave the coefficient here. So before dou u by dou x he gave the coefficient of 1 by 2. Coefficient of 1 by 2 he gave here. Okay, now see here, so this is equal to 1 by 2 dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x. See here, what is r here? 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y, you have to differentiate with respect to x. X is 1, so I get 2. So no x here, 0, correct? Plus dou u by dou s. Dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. You have to differentiate with respect to x here. No x here, correct? There is no x here. It becomes 0. Dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. So there is no x here, 0. X is 1. what I get ma? Minus 2 I get, correct? Plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y. So you have to differentiate with respect to y here. No y here, 0. Y is 1. What I get? I get minus 3 plus dou u by dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. So y is 1. I get plus 3 minus, sorry, plus 3 plus dou u by dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y. No y here, it become 0. No y here, it become 0. Correct ma? Then, one second. Right. Then plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 1 by 4 into dou u by dou r by dou z. No z here, it becomes 0. Dou u by dou s into dou s by dou z. So no z here, 0. Z is 1. I get minus 4 plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. Z is 1. I get 4. So no z, 0. Right? This is the after substituting the value of dou r by dou x and all. So I am solving directly now. If you want, you can solve dou r by dou x, dou r by dou s by dou x, dou t by dou x, like that. It will come very lengthy. Okay. So now see here, if I simplify here, 1 by 2 into 2. So 2 to get cancelled, I get dou u by dou r. 0 into anything is 0. 1 by 2 into 2 minus dou u by dou t. Minus dou u by dou t I am getting. Okay. Now plus 1 by 3 into 3. Acha, minus we get ma. 1 by 3 into 3 minus dou u by dou r. 1 by 3 into 3 is how much ma? Plus dou u by dou s. 0 into anything is 0, right? 1 by 4 into 0, it's 0 ma. 0 into anything is 0. 1 by 4 into 4. 4 into 4 minus 1. I get minus dou u by dou s. 1 by 4 into 4 is 1. I get dou u by dou t. Now see the values. So plus dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou r cancel ma. Plus dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou s cancel. Minus dou u by dou t plus dou u by dou t cancel. So that is equal to what? 0. So like that, you have to solve the given problem using chain rule. This is a very formula, a very, very important formula. Chain rule formula for 3 variables. You have to remember this formula. Okay? Take down. Okay, next problem. If u is equal to f of x by y, comma y by z, comma z by x, then show that, then prove that x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y plus z into dou u by dou z is equal to 0. We have to prove. Okay, so how to solve this type of problem? See here. So what we have to do here, first let r is equal to x by y and s is equal to y by z and t is equal to z by x. What we have to do ma? R is equal to x by y, s is equal to y by z and t is equal to z by x, correct? So therefore u becomes f of r comma s comma t, like previous problem. This one also will same. Now dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z, using chain rule. By chain rule, if you want, you can write it ma, by chain rule. So I'll write it over here. By chain rule. So earlier I didn't write. If you want, you can write it. So by chain rule, dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou r by dou x, dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. Similarly for y, similarly with respect to z, correct? Now here what he's asking, he's asking x into dou u by dou x. That means you need to multiply this term by x and you need to multiply this term by y and you need to multiply this term by z. That means simply you'll get here x into y into z, correct ma? So what I get here, now see here, so this is equal to x into dou u by dou r. Dou u by dou r is as it is. Dou r by dou x, you have to differentiate r with respect to x. X is in the numerator ma, so x is 1. I get 1 by y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. No x here, it becomes 0 plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. So x is in the denominator. So 1 by x differentiation is what? Minus 1 by x square. This becomes minus z by x square. Minus z by x square. This is the term with respect to x. Clear? Now plus y into dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y. So y is here in the denominator. 1 by y will give you minus x by y square plus dou u by dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. Y is in the numerator ma. So 1 by z plus dou u by dou u by dou t into dou t by dou y. No y here, it become 0. No y there, it become 0. Correct. Next, z into dou u by dou r into dou r by dou z. See here, there is no z in r, so it becomes 0, plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou z. Z is in the denominator ma, it become minus y by z square plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. So z is in the numerator, z is 1, I get 1 by x. Correct. So this is the chain rule after differentiation, right? Right. Now what we have to do? We have to simplify. See here, if I multiply with x, so what I get here? I get x by y dou u by dou r. 0 into anything is 0, minus 1x get cancelled ma, minus z by x dou u by dou t, minus z by x dou u by dou t I am getting here. Correct. This one, right. Now here y 1 plus into minus minus 1y get cancelled, x by y dou u by dou r plus into plus y by z dou u by dou s, dou u by dou s. 0 into anything is 0. Now here 0 into anything is 0, plus into minus 1z get cancelled ma, y by z dou u by dou s and plus z by x dou u by dou t. Dou u z by x dou u by dou t. Now see here, any cancellations? X by y dou u by dou r minus x by y dou u by dou r get cancelled. Very good. Y by z dou u by dou x minus y by z dou u by dou x get cancelled. Minus z by x dou u by dou t plus z by x dou u by dou t is cancelled. So what is the answer ma? 0. So that is equal to RHS. Understand here? So formula is same. Whatever the coefficients are there, those coefficients we changed here. We multiplied with the coefficients and we simplified, differentiating partially, we got the answer ma. Understand here? So these are the important problems on chain rule. Please go through these 3 problems, practice these 3 problems. Whatever the chain rule problem will come, you have to, if it is for 2 variables, what you have to write only 2 variables. So this part it won't come, only 2 variables you have to solve it. Okay, so I hope you understand this method ma. Please subscribe and share to your friends and try to take join button ma. There is a join button below in the link. Please take the join button so that it will support. So try to take the join button and share to your friends ma. Thank you.